ultimate luxury SUVs, one name has always stood tall: the Lexus LX. But for 2026, things take a serious turn. This is the all-new Lexus LX700h, and it's not just an upgrade. It's a complete evolution of what a flagship SUV should be. At first glance, the LX700h looks bold, massive, and unapologetically premium. That signature spindle grille dominates the front, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give it a futuristic presence. The body is muscular, with strong character lines, large alloy wheels, and a stance that screams authority whether it's parked outside a five-star hotel or climbing a rocky trail. This SUV isn't trying to fit in. It's built to stand out. Step inside, and the LX700h transforms into something completely different. The cabin feels more like a private jet than an SUV. Premium leather, real wood trims, ambient lighting, and ultra-soft materials surround you from every angle. And if you go for the ultra-luxury configuration, the rear seats become the highlight. Reclining, massaging, and designed to give VIP-level comfort. The Mark Levinson sound system with over 20 speakers turns the cabin into a concert hall, while dual screens and rear entertainment keep passengers fully engaged. But this SUV isn't just about comfort. It's packed with serious technology. You get a fully digital driver display, head-up display, multiple camera views including a 360-degree system, and advanced terrain monitoring that lets you literally see under the vehicle while off-roading. The infotainment system is fast, responsive, and finally feels modern and intuitive. Now let's talk about what really makes the LX700h special, the powertrain. Under the hood is a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 paired with a hybrid system, producing around 457 horsepower and massive torque, close to 790 Nm. This makes it the most powerful LX ever built. And the way it delivers power is smooth, instant, and incredibly refined. You barely feel the transition between petrol and electric item, it just moves effortlessly. Despite its size, this SUV can hit 0 to 100 km/h in just over 6 seconds, which is impressive for something this big. But what really stands out is how it performs off-road. This is still a true body-on-frame SUV with full-time four-wheel drive, low-range gearing, and available locking differentials. Add to that the hybrid system's instant torque, and you get incredible control over rocks, sand, and steep terrain. The adaptive suspension system allows the LX700h to raise or lower itself depending on the terrain, making it equally comfortable on highways and extremely capable off-road. Whether you're cruising through the city or exploring remote mountains, this SUV adapts to your environment seamlessly. Another interesting feature is its practicality. It can tow heavy loads, making it perfect for boats, trailers, or adventure gear. There's even a built-in power outlet in the back, so you can run appliances during camping trips, something you don't usually see in luxury SUVs. Safety is also a major highlight, with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, and evasive steering support. It's designed to keep you protected at all times. It's not just luxury, it's smart, proactive safety. But let's be real, no car is perfect. The hybrid system doesn't massively improve fuel economy compared to expectations, and the price is definitely on the higher side. Plus, due to the battery, cargo space is slightly reduced. Still, what Lexus has done here is impressive. They've taken a legendary SUV and made it more powerful, more luxurious, and more advanced, without losing its core identity. So, who is this car really for? It's for someone who wants everything: luxury, power, off-road capability, and reliability, all in one package. It's not trying to be a sporty SUV like some German rivals. Instead, it focuses on comfort, strength, and long-term dependability. And honestly, that's what makes the 2026 Lexus LX700h so special. It's not chasing trends, it's defining its own lane. If you're looking for an SUV that can take you from city streets to mountain peaks in absolute comfort while making a bold statement wherever you go, this might just be the ultimate choice.